This is Jerry here with Step Saver Products. I want to discuss an item that we sell exclusively through Sherwin Williams. They're in all the Sherwin Williams paint stores. We certainly appreciate their business, and let's discuss it. So we've got stress crack tape. It's a 13-foot repair pack. It comes in either a pre-textured product or it comes in a smooth product. So here's your texture. It's nice, easy. You got textured walls. It's already pre-textured. Peel it off, stick it on, and paint it. And then you've got the smooth here. Uneven edging helps it blend into the surface, and if you've got a crack coming on here and it's longer than the repair strips, you can just simply overlap them. So you would just take one off, peel it off, and then you want to press firmly outside the damaged area, so you overlap it slightly, press firmly, and then to continue the repair, you just peel off the next one and then continue on. Slightly overlap, continue to cover the crack, and you're ready to go. It's pretty easy. It'll also do corner repair, inside corner, outside corner. If you're going to do a corner repair, we suggest that you crease it in the desired direction you want, whether it's inside or outside corner, and then peel it off. It'll give you a nice straight line. And again, cracks and corners, outside corners, peel it, stick it, paint it. You can skim the edges if you want to make it completely undetectable, or you could texture over the texture if you need to be an exact match for your space. But it'll do the job. It'll do it well. Again, Sherwin Williams. If you have anything else, you want any questions, anything, videos or anything you want, let us know. We're happy to make them for you. Thanks.